So this video will be on how to set up coordinator courses and teacher accounts and teacher classes in Math Excel. And so what we want to do is go to mathexcelforschool.com, click educator to register as an educator. In our case, we already have an access code, so we're going to hit register here. We accept. We're going to say no, we do not have a Pearson account. Create a login name. So in the case of Harrison, I have used teacher's first last name, so Elizabeth.Garcia, for example. Password. And access code. So we want to switch to a single box so that the instructor access code that we have here can be just copied and pasted in. We'll set this account up for Mrs. Garcia. And what we want to do here is put in, I don't see my institution or school. Security question. I really don't care a whole lot about this being secure, so we're just going to say the security hint is hint. And we're not interested in whatever that is. So we can log in now. The account exists. And Elizabeth does not have any classes, and so we can go to the course manager. We can create a course. We want this to be a member course. But before I create the member course, I need to log in as myself and establish a coordinator course. So I'm doing this as the coordinator course because I want to be the primary on the courses. And so we will say create a course. We're going to say we want to create a coordinator course. And we're going to create a new course. We're going to select the book, create my course Arithmetic to Algebra 2. And next. Start date, end date. That's going to autofill. Right now there are no member courses. I am a full instructor. We want to grant full instructor access to the member courses. We want all of this content to be present, and we want to leave this alone. All right, the coordinator course exists. So now I can log out, log back in as Garcia. Now go to Course Manager, create a course. We want this to be a member course. So then anything done in the coordinator course automatically happens in her member course. So this would be Garcia first period, so Garcia 1. We want to join another instructor's course group. And so this list over here is going to be enormous. Thankfully, when a new one is created, it comes to the top. And if we had needed the ID, I could get the course, the coordinator course ID from my login. So we don't need to change anything here. And if we clicked next through the rest of this, it would be a waste of time. I'm just going to hit save. You'll notice that I'm also the primary instructor in Garcia's course because she is part of my coordinator course. So with that, Garcia's stuff is created. She does have a course ID here. What we're going to want to do is click that, copy this course ID, and then save it. Because students are going to need that course ID to register themselves. And that's it. The other video that I had sent to Letha is the one detailing how students should roster themselves in Math Excel, but this is the process for both creating an instructor account and courses under that instructor. And it's important to recognize that as you do this, you do need to bounce back and forth between my account or Talitha's account and the teacher account in order to create the coordinator course, which is then something that the member course joins.